What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 Mystichrome Cobra. Today we're just doing a quick short video on some new polished caps for under the hood. Alright guys, so anyone that follows the channel, I've had these ones from American Muscle since I got the car, and I've gone through a couple sets of them, but unfortunately they all keep flaking and failing on me. As you can see here, this is the second one that I've had of it, and I do not drive this car much at all. It does not get washed much either, and they keep flaking and just corroding and look like shit. So the only one I think I'm gonna have left now is the washer cap, which also is starting to pit a little bit around the edges as well. But I used to have them here on the coolant. I had replaced them both with UPR. I replaced the oil one with the Ford Racing one when I found it. And now we're gonna be replacing the brake one as well. So again, I went with UPR. So I just have a nice simple polished one here because of how this is, that it's taped in there, as well as the screw. I opted to just buy a brand new Motorcraft brake reservoir cap. So I got this off of Amazon for $7 or $8 or so. So with this one now here, what I'm gonna do is just actually install the cap by itself. I don't wanna tape it down or drill any hole through it like the last one. So you got it on there. Then we're just gonna grab this cap. This way, if by some chance it does happen to corrode or I need to replacement, I don't have to buy another brake fluid cap. Boom, it's on. Dunzo. Looks good, matches these two nice, matches that one as well. So the only one we have left still that's holding on is this guy here. And then once she takes a crap, we'll swap her out for a UPR as well. So just a quick video on the 04 Cobra. Have some other goodies coming as well. We got a new JLT battery cover, and we got some door pin bezels and 12-volt plug. A couple other little small things we added here is I found a remanufactured cover for the gas pedal, the Cobra only. So I put that on. Looks really cool for shows, and that's how it rolled off the showroom floor. So we added that on. And then I was also able to find one of these on eBay, the original airbag warning and indicator here. So I found that whole thing off of eBay. So we added that just to make it look fresh and to keep it kind of new looking right off of the showroom floor. So just some other small mods, and be sure to stay tuned for more Cobra content.